Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you students? I hope you are all fine. Today we are here again for your online classes. This is your science class. This is the lesson number 6. Today the day is Friday and the date is 23rd April 2021. Your book name is General Science and this is for class 7. First of all, we will open the book from the content pages. Where are the content pages? Here are the contents. Lesson 1, Human Organ Systems. We have done this one lesson. Lesson 2, Transport in Human and Plants. Page number 14. Move to the page number 14. Here is the page number 14. Transport in humans and plants. We have done the reading of page number 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21 till here. Today we start the reading from here. Structure of plant parts and transportation. जो प्लांट के पार्ट्स हैं और उनकी ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कैसे होती है, आज हम उसका स्ट्रक्चर फाइंड आउट करेंगे, रीड आउट करेंगे. टेक स्टार्ट फॉर द रीडिंग. नेचर हैज़ मेड द प्लांट पार्ट्स इन सच अ वे दैट देयर स्ट्रक्चर्स परमिट द मूवमेंट ऑफ मटीरियल्स. नेचर यानी कुदरत ने प्लांट्स के पार्ट्स को ऐसा बनाया है कि वो जो मटेरियल्स हैं उनकी मूवमेंट को अपने स्ट्रक्चर्स के अंदर से गुजरने देते हैं. प्लांट्स के पार्ट्स कौन कौन से हैं? सबसे पहले रूट्स है. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ रूट्स. फ्रॉम द मोमेंट अ सीड ग्रोज इट्स रूट स्टार्ट टू सर्च वाटर एंड मिनरल्स इन द सॉइल. एज सीड ग्रोज and the roots came out. What the work of root? They started to find out the water and minerals from the soil. Roots have branches that play an important role in absorption of water. What roots have? Roots have a small branches, and what is their work? And their work is to absorb the water from the soil. Move to the next page. The root hair on the roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Figure 2.10. Root hairs. These branches are called root hairs. Root hairs क्या करते हैं? ये वाटर से सॉइल से वाटर और मिनरल्स को अब्जॉर्ब करना शुरू कर देते हैं. Roots have xylem tissue to move water and minerals from the soil through the stems. What the root have? Root have the xylem tissues. These are the xylem tissues. And what the work of xylem tissues? They move the minerals and water in the tissues of the plant. Next one is from the soil up to and minerals from the soil up to up through the stem to the leaves. Phloem tissues in roots help to transport food. What is the work of xylem tissues? Xylem tissues move the water and minerals from the soil through the stems, leaves, and what is the work of phloem tissue? These are the phloem tissues. Phloem tissues in the roots help to transport the food. The foods that are prepared in the leaves and how it is moved in the plant. It is moved in the plant with the help of xylem tissues. Sorry, phloem tissues. Structure of stem. Stem का structure क्या होता है? Many plants such as mustard, सरसों have a waxy layer cuticle around the stem to reduce water loss. Cuticle is a waxy layer which stop to reduce the water. Means कि जो cuticle layer है roots की उसकी stem की वो ये श्योर करती है कि पानी जो है वो बाहर मत निकले. Next one is bark also reduced water loss in plants. Phloem tissues in the stem transport food made in leaves. Xylem tissues carry water from roots to the leaves. It is same like the structure of roots. जैसे रूट का स्ट्रक्चर है वैसे ही स्ट्रक्चर स्टेम का है कि स्टेम में भी फ्लोएम टिश्यूज़ जो हैं वो स्टेम में ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं फूड की जो कि लीव्स से बनाई जाती है. और जाइलम टिश्यूज़ जो इसमें हैं वो वाटर को रूट से लीव्स तक लेके आते हैं. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ लीफ. Leaves are the food factories of plants. Leaves क्या हैं? Food factories. What are the leaves? Leaves are the food factories of plants. Upper layer of a leaf have a waxy layer cuticle to reduce water loss. What is the upper layer have? This is the upper layer of the leaf and it has the cuticle. And I told you what is the cuticle. Cuticle is a layer that stop to a waxy layer that stop to reduce the loss of the water. Lower layer of a leaf has stomata and under the leaf we have the stomata. Stomatas are very small, you can say, holes in the leaf that help to transport the gases and other things. Exchange of gases and transportation take place through stomata. As I told you that stomata में क्या होता है, gases का exchange होता है और उसके अलावा transportation भी stomata के जरिए होती है. Midrib and veins of a leaf have xylem and phloem tissues. If you have examined the leaf, you have to check that there are very, very small lines in the leaf. If you see this one leaf like these, here are the small lines in the leaf, and what are they are midrib veins. And what they have what they do, midrib and veins of a leaf have xylem and phloem tissues. What they have the xylem and phloem tissues. These tissues transport water and food throughout the leaf. ये लीफ के अंदर से जितना भी फूड और वाटर है इसको ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं पूरे प्लांट में. हम लोग यहाँ तक इसकी रीडिंग करेंगे. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ तक इसकी रीडिंग कंप्लीट हो गई. इसके बाद आपको याद हो, इफ़ यू रिमेंबर, वी हैव डन द book work of this one lesson. We have the short question of done the short question answers of this one lesson. Today we will do the question number 4. Describe the structure of human heart. Now I will check where is the answer. The answer is in the start of the lesson. Here is the answer on the page number 15. The heart. Our heart is a muscular organ about the size of our fist. The heart is found in our chest. It pumps oxygen, poor blood, deoxygenated blood. Oxygen poor blood means deoxygenated blood, as I told you in the reading, to the lungs, and oxygen rich blood means oxygenated blood to the body. There are 4 chambers in our heart, 2 upper chambers and called arteria, singular atrium, and 2 lower chambers called ventricles. The ventricles of our heart are larger than the arteria. Both arteria contract at the same time, and so the ventricles. The blood passes from the arteria into the ventricles. There is a valve between each atrium and ventricle on the both sides of the heart. These valves keep the blood flowing in one direction. Deoxygenated blood from the body enter the right atrium, and oxygenated blood from the lungs enter the left atrium of our heart. The right ventricle pushes the blood to the lungs and the leaf, and the left ventricle pushes the blood to the body. If you have remembered the reading, I have explained all the things in the reading, and I hope you will do the question number 4 on your notebook and also do the reading. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.